Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to unblock a phone number on ZTE Blade A55. Firstly, go to your phone's app. Now tap on the contact that you have blocked previously and tap on unblock numbers. There's also another way of doing it, so I'm going to block this guy again. Now let's go back into contacts, and while you're in contacts, tap on the three dots right corner, settings, blocked numbers, and as you can see, here is the phone number that I have just blocked. I can also just unblock somebody else, and from here I can just tap the X which is next to the phone number, and then I'll be able to unblock someone. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, let us know in the comments.